Hello dear friends and welcome to Learn a Computer channel. You are most welcome. If you have a flash memory connected to your device and you can't open it like this is a flash memory USB drive. Double click to open it. I failed to open it. I see this message. D is not accessible. Okay. After watching this video and applying the commands explained, I guarantee you that your flash will be fixed unless it has a physical defect, means hardware defect or hardware problem. Click Windows key from the keyboard plus R key. Then you open Run. OK. Type CMD and then click Enter from the keyboard. You can also copy the command from the description box and paste them here. Copy from the description box and then paste them here by clicking Ctrl plus V from the keyboard. Anyway, don't forget to type the right flash memory letter as it appears in your computer when connecting your flash memory. In our case, it's D. OK? And then click Enter. Now wait for a while. You are not required to do more things. Wait until the flash memory will be repaired. Okay. Now this is my flash memory after repairing. I can open it now. Double click. OK. And now the problem was solved. Thank you.